Namaste. Imagine there are two rooms, room A and room B. Now, room A is filled with lot of dust. It is not clean for a while. It has lot of plastics in it, lot of half-eaten biscuits, packets and everything. And since it is not clean for a long days, that room stinks. Okay? And now there is a room B, which is totally clean, totally fresh, and it has a very nice fragrance when you enter, and you feel so good when you enter that room. Okay? Now imagine you have a plastic wrapper with you. When you enter room B, which is filled with lot of stinks and lot of dirtiness, do you hesitate to throw your chocolate wrapper there? You just put it down without any hesitations, right? But when you enter room A, which is totally clean and fresh, do you mind throwing your packets there? No. You just find ways to put it in the dustbin or you put it in your bag and you just move on. Now, the owner of both the house didn't say a single word, but either you choose to throw into the room directly or you just hesitate to throw and put it in your bag depending on the situation. Same thing happens in our life as well. Based on how you treat your own self, your surrounding will also treat you the same way. When you constantly disrespect yourself, when you constantly don't love yourself, when you are underconfident, when you are not valuing who you are, the same thing resonates with the outside world also, and they also treat you the same way. When you treat yourself with lot of dignity and you are not giving up on yourself, you are treating yourself with so much love, so much care and so much respect and dignity, then the same thing spreads to the outside world and they also treat you the same way. Hence, if you want to be treated with a lot of respect and lot of love, a lot of compliments, then better you should give that to yourself first. You treat yourself with lot of love, treat yourself with lot of respect, treat yourself with utmost dignity, and so that you will also be getting the same thing from the outside world as well. So treat yourself as best as possible. Hope this reminder has helped you.